Alright, so we've run across a problem. These are uneven. It's hard to see from the camera angle, but they're a little warped and they wouldn't go back. So I puzzled and puzzled how to fix this without sanding. I don't want to sand this. I don't want to recoat it. That's too much work for a couple of coasters. Now you can see it's uneven. So how do we fix this? What about some of these? Cabinet, desk drawer, bumper protectors. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna stick it to the uneven side, because my theory is if I do 4 of these spaced fairly evenly towards the outside, this will help even it out. It won't ruin the aesthetic. Alright, moment of truth. It works. It works. It's not uneven anymore. It went from this. So these are gifts for FedEx delivering my mail to my neighbors. And my poor elderly neighbors having to carry my heavy packages over. They're my elders. They felt bad. So I asked them what their favorite colors were. They said green. And they're always planting stuff and always doing stuff out in their garden and lawn. So I figured, why not make them a beautiful coaster set as a thank you gift. Ta-da! My voice is not very good right now. Still getting over a chest and sinus cold, but aren't those gorgeous?